Good evening, everybody. Welcome to the Pioneer channel. Today we are dealing with Time for English for grade 5 and we're gonna start with unit 7. Please view this PowerPoint with me. Okay, grade 5, general revision at the aquarium. Okay, aquarium is a kind of like a museum but for marine animals where we can find whale, eel, dolphin, octopus, shark, crab. And here we have the phonetics time: farm, yard, barn, smart, and or, horn, storm, fork, corn, form. Here we have language functions, kind of a dialogue between two persons, and here to choose from different choices. If I'm gonna ask you to choose from one or two things, the question word that I'm gonna use is which. Which one do you want? If you can decide, I'm gonna say I don't know. They are all cute. Or which color do you prefer? If you know what you want, I prefer red. So the question word is which. For grammar, we are dealing with adjectives. We use the adjectives to describe the nouns, things, persons, whatever. The shark is big. Big here is an adjective. And we have comparative adjectives. Comparative adjectives, we use them to compare between two persons or things. Like here, for example, the whale is bigger than the shark. The shark is smaller than the whale. Here, when the adjective ends with a consonant preceded by a vowel like big, we double the last letter G, then add ER plus than. And here we have more examples: thin, thinner, big, bigger. And if they are regular adjectives like tall, it will be taller, TALLER, without doubling the last letter, and fast, faster. Comparative adjectives consists of the adjective plus ER, than. And the question word for comparative adjectives is which, because you are asking someone to choose from two things or more, but here to choose from two things, so I'm gonna say which. Which is bigger, the whale or the shark, or which is smaller, the whale or the shark. And we have some irregular verbs for the past form: blow, blew, grow, grew, pot, pot, make, made. Here we have some exercises. Choose the correct answer from A, B, C, or D. Number 1, the crab is than the whale. Here we have the word than. That means I have to put adjective plus ER. That's why we chose slower. The crab is slower than the whale. Number 2, there was a in the evening and it rained. There was a storm in the evening and it rained. Okay, number 3, the blew very hard. Cloud, star, sky, wind. Because we have the verb blew, that means we must choose the word went. The shark is, here I'm just describing the shark without comparing it to anything, so I'm gonna say the shark is big. Number 5, the farmer put the corn in the. We put corn in what? Of course, we're not going to put it in a house, in an aquarium, or a farm, so I'm gonna put it in the barn. The eel is smaller. Again, we have adjective ER. That means we have to put than. The eel is smaller than the shark. Okay, exercise 2. Circle the odd word and replace it with the correct one. Number 1, dolphin, eel, cow, crab. Dolphin, eel, crab, they are marine animals, and the different animal here is cow, so I'm gonna replace it with shark. Number 2, aquarium, barn, farm, book. Here, aquarium, barn, farm are places, book is a noun, so I'm gonna replace it with a park. Number 3, fast, heavy, pen, big. Fast, heavy, big are adjectives. Pen is a noun, so I'm gonna replace it with happy. Card, number 4, card, read, story, fork. Card, story, fork are nouns. Read is a verb, so I'm gonna replace it with book. 5, played, chased, listen, vested. All of them are verbs, but listen is different because it's in the present form and the other verbs are in the past. So I'm gonna pick listen and replace it with listened or any other verb in the past form. Number 6, sky, cloud, moon, yard. Sky, cloud, moon are nouns. Yard is a place, so I'm gonna replace it with star, for example. Number 7, fast, bigger, slower, smaller. Here we have all of them are adjectives, but bigger, slower, smaller are adjective, comparative adjectives, and fast is an regular adjective. So I'm gonna replace it with faster. Number 8. He, his, she, we. The odd one is his because it's a possessive adjective pronoun, and he, she, we are subject pronouns. So I'm gonna replace it with they. They, I. Okay. Number 9. Throw, found, had, knew. All of them are verbs, but found, had, knew are verbs in the past form, throw in the present, so I'm gonna replace it with through. Number 10. Goat, horse, whale, camel. All of them are animals, whale and a marine animal, so I'm gonna replace it with cow. Okay. Let's move to the last question. Rearrange the following words to make correct sentence. Number 1. Fish which you like do. So I'm gonna say, which fish do you like? Number 2. Some have let's juice orange. So I'm gonna say, let's have some orange juice. At, number 3. At the, look the, in yard, corn. So I'm gonna say, look at the corn in the yard. Number 4. You're up, please mind make. So I'm gonna say, and of course the underlined word, we're gonna start with it. Please make up your mind. Number 5. Was the hard but question Ahmad smart. I'm gonna start with the question was hard but Ahmad was smart. The last one he does want which. So I'm gonna say, which one does he want? Okay, I hope that you have benefit from our PowerPoint for Unit 7, and I wish you good luck, and wait for more videos, and goodbye.